It is car wash training time. See, not scary at all. Not scary at all. Good girl. See? Good girl. She's a little nervous. But she's still willing to take treats. That's a good sign. Not scary at all. And not scary. Now what are they going to do? They're going to spray a little bit.